This question relates to the new specification for first examination in 2018. It's a GCSE question. Figure 1 and Figure 2 show some cells, a plant cell and an animal cell. Both cells contain a nucleus. What does the nucleus do? Well, clearly it controls the cell's activities. And 1A, part 2, the plant cell in Figure 1 has a cell wall. What does the cell wall do? Clearly, we know it strengthens the cell and prevents it from bursting. Okay, so the next question says a cell wall is found in a plant cell, but not in an animal cell. Give one other structure that is found in a plant cell and not in an animal cell. So this question is asking for a structure. So if you write chlorophyll, you won't get the mark because chlorophyll is a substance and not a structure. So the answer here is clearly chloroplast. You could have written large vacuole, but chloroplast is definitely the better answer, especially as they've just asked for a plant cell. If they had shown you a root cell, then a chloroplast wouldn't be the best answer, because of course a root cell doesn't have chloroplast or chlorophyll. Next question, Figure 3 shows a red blood cell and a white blood cell. Which system do white cells belong to? So clearly that's the immune system. Red blood cells contain hemoglobin. What is the function of red cells? So the best answer is to talk about carrying oxygen. And to improve that answer, really, you should be thinking about carrying oxygen from the lungs to respiring cells. Now, it's only a 1-mark question, but you did get it wrong if you wrote delivering oxygen without further amplification. Question 1B, part 3, asks about red blood cells. And just to recap, we know that red blood cells don't have a nucleus. They only actually last for about 120 days and then they're recycled by the liver. By having no nucleus, they ensure that there's more space inside for the oxygen-carrying pigment hemoglobin. So in answer to the question, all we need to say is that by having no nucleus, they can carry more hemoglobin. Now, the key to answering this question correctly is the word more. If you just say for hemoglobin, that's not going to get you the mark, because perhaps a cell with a nucleus would be able to carry hemoglobin, but not as much. The next question asks about platelets. It says platelets are small cell fragments in the blood. What is the function of platelets? Now, in this question, all we need to say is to clot the blood. If we said to make a scab, that would be incorrect, because a scab is something that forms afterwards as a result of clotting the blood. Also, you really don't want to go beyond answering the question. It's only 1 mark. And if you go beyond and then say something wrong, then the way AQA mark is to use an added on wrong comment to disqualify a previous correct comment. So in this example, if you had said to clot the blood by changing fibrin to fibrinogen, the first part is correct and the second part is wrong. And that second part would disqualify your first mark. Hope you found the video useful. Please leave me a comment and then I can know who's watching.